Alright, welcome back to another C# lab. So this time we'll be doing the activity which asked us to have the user input a name and then display it one character at a time. So with the usual abode, let's get started. So name display seems like a reasonable one to come by. Alright, so let's start with defining a string name, and we didn't put a character. There we go. And an integer for the loop, we'll call it I. Alright, so we want to ask a question. And that question is going to be, please enter your name. And then we're going to have name equals console readline. Sounds like a reasonable assumption. Alright, so we've got their name and we're going to spit it out. So text. Now displaying your name character by character. She below. No. Alright, so for I equals 0, so we'll start the count, and I is less than name length, and we're going to increment I each time it loops through. Yep, sounds good. So what we're going to do, we're going to write a line. Yep, right line. What are we going to write? We're going to write a positional value of 0. And what's that going to be? It is going to be A with a name and the index of I. What have I forgotten? No. That's better. Don't know what I was doing, but it wasn't what I was wanting. Okay, so there, and we'll give it a pause on the screen. So we'll do the obligatory read key to give it a pause. Alright, so collect username. Loop to display name char by char. Alright, so if this is working correctly, we should be able to run that and go I teach Cisco. Yo. Enter. And I think that just spat it out for us. I teach Cisco. Oh, one character at a time. And waited for a keystroke to end. Alright. Well, there's the solution for the first activity. Till the next video, thanks for joining. See you next time.